Good afternoon, our principal, Mr. Anton, Sir Sudung, and all my friends. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rio Ferdinand from 10-1 class. Today, I want presentation about the story of Microsoft Windows. Windows 1.0 in 1985. Advantage: Windows resize the window by dragging the handle on the top right corner of the window. Disadvantage: complicated menu operation. User have to hold down the click button to bring up the menu, which may not be as intuitive compared to newer version. Windows 2.0 in 1987. Advantage: more stable menu in Windows 2. When you click to bring up a menu and release it, the menu will remain, allowing user to select menu item more easily. Disadvantage: limitation in features. Windows 2 still has limitation compared to newer version. Windows, such as the absence of wallpaper and screensaver, available in 3.1. Windows 3.1 in 1992. Advantage: color icon. When minimizing a program, the icon in Windows 3.1 changed to color icon. Disadvantage: lack of modern features. There are limitations compared to newer versions, such as the absence of the active desktop introduced in Windows 98. Windows 95 in 1995. Advantage: text manager. Windows 95 has a text manager to allow user to close unresponsive program more efficiently than Windows 30.1. Disadvantage: limitation in handling non-responsive application. If an application does not respond, the user must use a key combination to close it, which may not be as efficient as in later version. Windows 98 in 1998. Advantage: fast launch. Windows 98 introduced the quick launch feature on the left side of the taskbar, which did not exist in Windows 95. Disadvantage: limitation in adding toolbars. User cannot add folder tools to the taskbar, which is a feature present in Windows 98. Windows Me in 2000. Advantage: system restore features. These features allow user to restore the system to its previous state in case of problems. Disadvantage: poor stability, as stability issue and crash frequently, which makes it less reliable than previous version. Windows XP in 2001. Advantage: better window management. The window content move in real time when the windows is moved, which improve the user experience. Disadvantage: compatibility issue. Some application and hardware may not be fully compatible with Windows XP, which may cause problem for user. Windows Vista 2006. Advantage: better window management. The window contents move in real time when the windows is moved, which improve the user experience. Disadvantage: compatibility issues. Some application and hardware may not be fully compatible with Windows XP, which may cause problem for user. Windows 7 in 2009. Advantage: improve themes with a more modern theme with a transparent and glossy title bar and rounded corner. Disadvantage: hardware and application compatibility. Some hardware and apps may not be fully compatible with Windows 7, which can cause problem for user. Like 2012 Advantage support the Metro apps. Windows 8 allow users to snap apps to the side of the screen, although it can only have 2 apps at a time. Disadvantage: screen sharing limitation. In Windows 8, user cannot split the screen into 2 parts, which limits multitasking. Windows 80.1 in 2030. Advantage: Start button. Windows 81 introduce a start button that provides easy access to the start screen. Disadvantage: limitation of customization. Some users may still feel that the customization options are not as many as in newer version. Windows 8.1 update in 2040. Advantage: power and search button. This update adds a power button and search button on the start screen for easy access. Disadvantage: operation of Metro apps. To close the Metro app, the user has to go the top of the screen and drag down, which may not be intuitive. Windows 10 RTM in 2050. Disadvantage: snap features. User can snap the screen into 2 or 4 parts, which improve the ability multitasking. Disadvantage: limited settings. Settings and customization options may not be as numerous as in newer version. Windows May 2021 update in 2021. Advantage: frost glass effect. This update introduced frost glass effect on the lock screen, giving it a modern look. Disadvantage: change to text view. In the desktop, text view is moved from the bottom to the top, which may be confusing from the user. Windows 11 incident preview in 2021. Advantage: modern interface design. It the rounded Windows corner and menu with a white background and gray highlight, giving it a fresh and modern look. Disadvantage: change to text view. In the desktop, text view is moved from the bottom to the top, which may be confusing from the user. Thank you for watching my video.